Good afternoon.
We managed to catch the rain. Yeah, we're in the rice fields in Calinan.
Oh, it is getting strong.
In the rain, and Filipinos don't like rain because apparently they get sick when they get hit by rain.
I want to walk. Maybe not.
What? You're not walking in that?
Yeah, it's raining.
It's raining.
We have that. It looks cool.
Yes, they have a stream. They have a lot of water here, and
some
so
snails.
and some snails. Yes, in the mud here, in the rice field, and they can. Oh,
Yes.
I don't know what that is.
Pink.
I know it's pink.
No, I mean looks like eggs.
Yeah, it could be.
Maybe frog eggs or something. Oh, maybe snail's eggs. Yeah.
Walk. We're sharing this trail with a bunch of people. Way more traffic than expected. Well, by me. But it's very warm, very humid, and raining right now, so yeah. Try not to fall. Let's see. Yes, that is how Filipinos protect themselves from the rain. Oh.
Some shelter.
What? Oh, really? Alright.
Yeah. We have a shelter. Ganun na, sige, manig-ulan dire.
Ito ka doon, nagbaha dire. Ikaw, pag-abutan ko dire, katulo na ko absog baha.
Ay, asa po taman nga baha?
Ang tong naging tuig kani.
As in? Yeah, it flooded here.
Oh.
Last year, like, up to there.
Oh, really?
January.
Taas ay kuan day no.
January, mga ano sa January.
La, okay, Raya, nag-video-video miya.
Oh. March. January. March. Katulo na sa March.
Oh. Karong tuig gaya?
Oh, ya.
Ay, katong niaging tuig.
Karong tuig agad. Tong kani tong niaging tuig man eh. Niya tong 14. 23 mo to karong 23. Nya dahil 14 kani diri sa tong 14.
No, taasad ay no. Atong last Valentine's, like, all the way there, the flood.
Valentine's. Kaya dayon karong 23 mo ni diri.
Nahabog day no.
Katong niaging tuig mo ni diri.
Ah.
Katulo na ko na agtag buha. Diri pag
Unya, akani, maanaw eh. Di, maulan na.
Pero mo na sige kuan. Di temporary na mo kuan kay di mo siya musakasta sa akong anak kay na trabaho man. Wala ka masadong mahuman.
Ngani, pero may food kay sa taga diri ara po ning kawayan, labor lang.
Ako ra ni kuha sa mga. Ay, mo na ko ni pista.
Dako man yung area di ay.
Kana tanong ka diyo. Utog man ang utog balaya.
Oh, it's their area up to that house.
Oh, yeah.
It's theirs.
2.1
Hectare. Oh. Okay, nag-ano ba? Wala may kabaloon sa kadako ng isa ka hektarya. Meron siya usa kay naong anang 1 hectare.
1,000 square meter.
Kanang isa ka squarean sa palayan, hinana.
Dili kuan na siya. Kana siya bali og kana gikan natong dito sa may kawayan,
From the bamboo.
1.5.
Padong dere.
Kutob aning kaning gibasa.
From the bamboo tree all the way here, it's 1.5 hectare.
Yeah. Apil din dire magkuan na siya to.
Ang kawayan ani.
Puro uso mo na yung jagas tulay. Ang kanto ganina yung dito sa struktura. Ay.
Kanang kuan, abi nagkawayan nga tanom.
Kumain din ka tanong.
Asa dara ah?
siya na yung agian. Pero,
Hangtod sa tumoy.
oh,
Wa may nilahos kay
wala, di naman mo dapit.
naabda nag-ulan.
Saan ang mga diha? Muna mo ang boundary.
Ah,
Ano yung sugot ay ganda sa mga. Ito paanong balaya ang basak. So, luoy lang tayo.
nindot nga kay dako.
Kaya mo ang 1.5 na hektar. Nakuha na nag-40 ka sakong humay.
Ah, nya. Pila pa ginapalit ay kumpra sa inyo diri ay ginapagbaliga ninyo.
Nakuan man na bahaan man, barat man lang 14 na lang per kilo.
Their yield for the rice was just 40 per kilo because it got flooded. Yeah.
Ano magapok naman.
Lisod pod no ba ay murag naalagi mi kinakita dito nga flood prone area. Tungod ni sa ano yan sa creek or ubos ng gyud ni diri ah.
Ibot na din, dayon ka ng kita agyan man yung sapa.
Oo.
Kana diha, gamay siya ba? Ano dito na pag dam.
Ana pa di damdra sa
Ito
ano.
sa tulay, ito sa tulay. Ito
Hmm.
sa kabitan. Ang galing mo. Dahil itong bambu na raw, katong doon na sa inyo hindi ko ang ganihan, picture na eh, pura eh, ito ang bus, kita bambu. Dahil ang itong balay.
Ah. It's not all the way. The house is quite far. Like the bamboo, maybe right in the middle where we started taking pictures, the video. That's like 1.5. Yeah.
Ay, ito, baha eh. Ibo ko ito nakita.
Mabibo.
Daghan man sa ano, daghan man mga nidali kayo. Ang isda.
Ah, if it's flooding, it's also a benefit for them because there are people going here to catch fish.
Oh.
Mga sa'yo, mga bangus. Sa pang isda.
Tilapia o
Tilapia? Ah, tilapia.
So where does do they have like a pond or do they
Nainay
come from?
pandere ya. Ay, asa pag gikan ng isda.
kuan dili sa diha sa dako sa pa niya. O magdako ang tubig katong mga punong dito mga bungkag.
Ah, like the ponds all the way up over there
Mga bungkag.
gets broken or like it's opened up and then goes the fishes goes here and also like the big dam a bit farther here. Yeah, it's like fish party.
Free fish.
Yeah.
Oh.
Nindot gani oh. Kawayan. Nang ligon pod ba?
Sturdy.
Yeah, sturdy. Lig on. Sturdy. Cute nilang ko na bangko.
Bungkag dado. Bangko.
Gwapo pa inyo ning ero ya.
Ilaha na ang bata dito pikas balay.
Cute doggy. It's the neighbor's dogs.
Oh.
Oh, this one is fish trap. So, kuan na. Secure ng isda. He'll make this one is gonna be a fish trap and then he's gonna put it around the bridge.
Oh,
Yeah.
waiting for the flood.
Yeah.
Ano pala pista?
Yeah, net na dungagan ng nignet.
Dili nani gyud siya.
Ana lang.
O paano man siya kaning nato man na siya para ikuan para magsumpay-sumpay siya. Para magsumpay-sumpay siya magdikit. To agad buhat mo to. To sa may bayog ay akaway alo di ay to.
Kanang murag koral.
Gamay o dino kayo. Kawayan man amo ni siya.
Fish trap.
Oh, so the dugout area.
Yeah, it's out there.
Uy! Milo! Hawak Milo.
Milo.
Sino Milo?
No, he's gonna make this like standing and then diagonal or horizontal.
Oh, they go home by themselves?
Yeah, I think.
Eh, nakulag man.
They'll go home by themselves.
That's
So
good.
cute.
Oh, it's feeding time.
They know how to go home. Whee!
Kamu.
So, uli kay basig mo kusog pa noon. Niya, salamat kayo.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ah!
Water.
Yeah, but we try to avoid rain.
Yes, I know. Try to make sure the phone avoids rain.
Yeah. Creek. They get fish here. They make fish trap.
So, does that mean
Ah.
someone has a pond up there?
Oh, looks nice. Can you
And
video?
I'm with videoing.
Yeah, sorry.
So, are you?
Yeah, that's nice here. Mommy, hi.
Woof.
Milo.
Milo.
Yeah, the stream is strong.
Yeah, it's raining.
Aguilan.
So your phone is waterproof?
No.
So why are you asking? Okay. Why are you asking?
Yeah, because the view is nice.
Okay, got it.
Covered. Walking in the rain.
Yeah.
Yeah, we should bring umbrella next time.
Yeah, I like this. It's cooler now.
Are we stay here?
No.
No, just not.
Yes. We don't know how long this is gonna last.
We will take a snapshot. Walking in this. So nice.
I don't think the phone picks up the bird song, but there are birds singing. Normal birds, not roosters. We can of course hear the roosters as well. There's a rooster farm, poultry, whatever. Not sure what it's called. We don't have them in Sweden. Just a load of roosters. Yeah. So if you're not into party scene, instead prefer nature, this is a good place to be. At least if you can handle the heat. We're still working on that for me. We'll probably check out Marlag or more in Buda, or maybe even go to Valencia. So it's higher up in the mountains north of Davao. It's actually it's a bit rainy. It's not, or a bit rainy, a bit grey. We didn't really have fog, at least not when we were there. It was very nice weather, they said, and we agreed. But it's not as, not bad, but as foggy as Baguio. But we'll see. We've only really spent a day and a half there. Yeah. But it's usually like between 17 and 20 degrees there, which for me sounds very nice. It's better than 30, which has been more or less the case here in Calinan the last week. So that's the reason why we went up to Buda, was because it was just so hot. We didn't really feel like being here anymore. We were just sitting around sweating. Oh yeah, we've actually already uploaded the Buddha video. So visited Ron Daniels and his wife Marinisa.
It's not fog.
So Daniel's saving. Yeah, no, this is
Smoke.
this is
Burning leaves.
the burning leaves. Yeah. at the resort. It's very nice, and we spent the night there. It was cold. It wasn't cold, but it was colder. Very nice beds, very nice everything. They got pool, lots of flowers, and yeah, we're contemplating, but we need to see more of it. Make sure it's not like Baguio, where it's always, or at least half the year, it's pretty much only fog and rain, and yeah, it's depressing. It's good to see the sun, but the sun was really strong when we were there. It's just that the breeze is cool, it cools you down, so it's not that bad. And the air is nice. Here today at least, it's hot, it's humid. Even now, it's still hot. But yeah. Westerner problems, I guess. Filipinos don't seem to have an issue with it. Where you going? Yeah. So this is 1 hour Suki. Whoops, I'll let them pass. Hi. Hey. Oh yeah, we're buying, I'm not sure what we're buying, but we'll see if we can join them in harvesting lemoncita and mangosteen tomorrow, unless they already did it. I think that's what she's talking about. They have eggplants today. It's close.
Yeah, and they harvested today. I think we can still visit tomorrow and see. There might be some premature lemoncitas today, and we can just walk around. Yeah, we're heading back home. Just
So I wonder if the water goes all the way up here when it floods.
yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's just low ground there.
Yeah, because it didn't really feel like we're much higher.
Yeah, because that was like high.
Yeah, and the water level, I mean, yeah, it's like 3 meters higher. That would, well, based on that one, it can at least go 1 meter.
Big
quite
creek.
commonly.
Huge creek.
Yeah. It's good to have access to water, even when it's raining daily.
Yeah, but that was recent. Last Valentine's Day when it rained hard.
So
went up.
2 weeks ago?
Yeah.
Ah. We were here 2 weeks ago, weren't we?
Yeah.
I don't think, maybe he meant last year.
No, he meant this, or maybe last year.
Yeah, I think we would have noticed that it was raining that much or flooding that much.
Or maybe it's just a lower area there than here because it's going up here, the road.
Yeah, possibly.
Someone looked back at you. He gets the looks.
Reminds me of
Whitey, nice house.
back in the day. We had what was her name? It was H&M. They had a commercial or an ad of posters with Anna Nicole Smith, and in their lingerie or something like that. And that caused quite a lot of accidents, I think.
Because
It was a big boobed blonde lady with very, very tiny underwear
in the
up by the roads and stuff like that.
yeah, that's distracting.
The
That's not
posters-
safe.
No, it
It's
wasn't.
like a hazard.
Yeah, and people who were So it was like the first time they had that type of ad or posters. So people started stealing them as well. I think like later years because they it was it was an effective one. So in later years when they had like Cindy Crawford, I think. Then you could just contact them and you can get a poster. So you wouldn't have to steal it because they were very, very popular. Anyway.
I think we should stop. It's raining.
Yeah,
it's been raining.
Before your phone breaks.
Yeah. Okay, that's
We're
it for
almost back.
today. See you in the next one. Bye.